Should be live on TikTok as well right now. I am live on TikTok. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Uh, alright, so what I'm looking for today. Well, I'm gonna be looking for shit because it's Friday. Oh shoot, I can't say that. Steven was good. So, we have a lot of reversal points. A lot of reversal points. London High, yeah, London High is the A minus. New York PM High is gonna be the A, and New York AM High is gonna be the A plus because it's also daily high. We all sorry. We're also seeing the B reversal for New York PM lunch, the A reversal for New York AM lunch, and daily low paired with the 15 fair value is going to be the A plus right here to me. Let me open the chat. It's not reaching PM, yeah, but it's the A plus. What's good, boys? London High's getting hit right now. My bias, that's the bias R3. The bias is whichever gets hit first, that's where we're looking for a reversal, if that makes sense. Uh, yeah. So bias is just misconception in my opinion. You don't need a bias overall. You just need you just Francois, I'm guessing. Well, it's good. You just need a good reversal point. What about the data high and low that I was talking about? Yeah, I did not read it because I did not have time. Can you redo it? Let's redo it. What's the question that came in? I'll answer the question for sure. Jalen, what's good, Jalen? How's it going, my boy? So if it hits high low first, can we expect a reversal to go? Yes, of course. If it hits data high first, we can expect a reversal. I'm expecting we're gonna get it at 925, to be honest. Hopefully we do. Let me drink some of my smoothie right there. Canab Trader, what's good? So I'm guessing we're gonna sweep this just right now in a bit, to be honest. I'm probably just gonna take a short at 9. Gambling. Yeah, you're gonna gamble that there is a 15-minute short, 15-second IFVG. Asan was good. R3, Imagine Pro. Abaglyph, yeah. Red News at 10. Yeah, there's red news all over the place today. There's red news, bro. All over me. There's red news. Jutsu, what's up? Oben, what's good? This guy's just banging a trade right there. We're probably gonna manipulate this in about 2 minutes. Where's Grumpy? Did Grumpy leave? Uh, R3 trades. Bro, you gotta change that profile picture, R3. I gotta say. You gotta put me instead. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, we could have swept that on ES, did we? No, it's already been swept. The loop. What's good, the loop? Hey, TikTok's dead today, boys. Peter just woke up. 9:25. We manipulated nothing. Mo, what's up? Yannick, welcome. We did not quite manipulate it right here. Not quite. We made it equal, so yeah. So it just hedges. It happens a lot. Matthias, what's good, Matthias? Hey, Matthias, I suggest you join the live stream in the Discord. It's less because you're always here. What's good? You're always here. I suggest you join it in the Discord. Right now it's gonna be less laggy. Then you just have to wear the shirt that includes unprofitable. Will, what's good? Bro just wants to say bad word. Yeah, Matthias, hold on. Let me send you the link. It's gonna be less laggy within the Discord if you join here. What's good, Will? What's good? Peter, Zach, what's good? Logan, what's good? Yeah, of course. Holy dump at 925. I was completely wrong, but we were close. We were close, but holy manipulation right here. But yeah, K-Man, you're learning it fast. I'm telling you, you're learning fast as poop, bro. Learning super fast. Uh, 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 uh. Oop, I am lagging. Yeah, I mean, it happens. It happens. All right, Matthias, you can join the live streams at the top. Yeah, no, it barely swapped. It barely swapped. So, okay, we got 6 people on the TikTok. We got 8 people on the Discord. That means I don't even know how much. I can't count. Let's okay. We got 8 on TikTok. Now I know it's 16. 9. We got 19. 17. Royce, I'm stupid. But on open, what do we expect? We expect a sweep of any session. Hopefully these right here, and that would be nice for a good reversal. 10 people, 11 people on the Discord, on the TikTok was good. Medi, Jordan, trade with hell no. Mr. Sigma, what's up? Alejandro, what's good? Big Red, what's good? All some beautiful people, and on the Discord we got 8 as well. Uh, Now, you would have sold right here, by the way. K-Man, you would have sold. You would have sold. So open in about 3 minutes. Elijah, what's good? Xphil, what's good? Um, stocks are down. Sorry. Stocks are down. Pre-market. Kinda sucks, kinda sucks. Okay. Look at this V shape right here. Yeah, it was perfect. It would have been perfect. But look at this V-shape momentum right there. Crazy. Fusion, David, Etienne, Anthony, Pats, what's up? Holy, there's so many people joining. So many people. Okay, we got a good V shape right here. We Elena, Pats, what's up? We have no Braden was good. I am awesome. What's up? A lot of people. Yeah, it would have been an insane trade, to be honest. To be honest, to be honest, to be honest. Holy. Holy, okay, we swapped data high just before open. Freedom, Jordan, Fate Angel, what's up? Logan, what's up? Yeah, that momentum was insane. Unfortunately, it was 9 points trade, so no point in taking it, but Peter, you're such a degen, man. Such a degen. Yeah, you got it, Peter. You're cooking. How much you made? Like fucking $4? Degen's nowhere to be seen. You made $4 on that or what? 25. 25. What, one micro? Where did you didn't enter here, right? You entered at the bottom, most likely. I'm guessing, right? Okay, open in about 30 seconds now, boys. Somewhere was good. Bro, there was like 10 people. Now there's 2. It is what it is. Somber, Emon, what's good? Logan. Okay, okay. Open in about 10 seconds. Looking bullish right here. We could sweep some pre-market highs right there and just completely reverse. We will see, we will see. What's good, Somber? How's it going? Bro, Somber, you're always here. I'm live in the Discord as well. Oops. Join it. Join it and come on the Discord. It's gonna be less laggy. Okay, open just right now. We did not sweep the pre-market highs. We are inversing this gap right there, though. Data just been data's just been swept. Oh, you're in. You're in. All right. Data's just been swept. So what are we doing right now? We're like, we swept data. We swept data. What's gonna happen? We wait for something clear. God damn, Nvidia, come on, bro. How you gonna dump $1 on the open? Bro, Peter, you're cooking the markets, bro. You've been cooking. You're on a 10-day win streak. Okay, B reversal coming in. B reversal's coming in. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. B reversal coming in. No gap. We're not gonna get any gap from that. Get here. Thank you for the like. Hold on. Okay, we got the B reversal going. Let's see, let's see, let's see if we get anything from that. Looking at the 1 minute right now. Mike, what's good? Let's look at the 2 minute, 3 minute. No. Bro, I'm so tired. Oof. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I would have stayed in bed the whole week. But sometimes you just gotta push forward and just do it. You know. Justin Bienvenido. What's good? Okay, B reversal, then nothing as expected. We're gonna wait for the A reversal in the A plus. Hopefully the A plus. I would love the A plus. I would feel super confident with the A plus. I look stupid drinking the smoothie, but the smoothie is super good. Willie. Oh shoot, we got Noki in here, new guy. What's up? Anyone's looking for anything right now? Willie, you looking for anything? Willie, boy. D did not wake up again. What's up, Noki? How's it going? You doing good? D didn't wake up. Tag him. Let's all tag D. Let's all tag D. That dude that's never wake up he just never wakes up. It's just all tag D, right? Dude needs to wake up. He says he's gonna wake up, but he never wakes up. Okay, hold on, let's lock in right here. What is his volume at 932 right there? Oh shoot. Let me buy my DCA for the day. Wow, we see nothing. Right here. Trade. Buy stocks. There you go. That's done. Okay, we're locked in, we're locked in, we're locked in. Uh, choppy, right now. We're gonna wait until we get something clear. Hopefully the A reversal at least be nice. I don't think there's a possible SMT right here. There's no possible SMT on Asia. Look at the session SMT boys though. Right here, we made a session SMT and we just completely pumped, which is nice. Probably move after 10 a.m. news. Yeah, possibly, to be honest. At 10 a.m. That's next week. I'm stupid. 10 a.m. we have prelim. Yeah, prelim's gonna move the market as well. It always does. 1 hour SMT. Hourly SMT, you said? Let me look at the hourly SMT. There is an hourly SMT right there. You are correct on the hourly SMT. There is one. Look at this right here. But I personally don't care about the S&P. We could be sweeping Asia though. If we sweep Asia and we sweep the New York AM low at the same time, I wouldn't mind it. I really wouldn't. Okay, looking like we're gonna sweep Asia on ES. Uh, 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 yeah, it looks like we're gonna sweep Asia on ES. Not quite though, not quite, but it was close. Welcome to everyone in the disc in the TikTok. Let me just pin this comment right here. Pin it. There we go. What is good? What is good, people? Okay, we could be sweeping Asia right here. We could really well sweep Asia. Let me just redo my loadout for TikTok. Shoot. Just for the TikTok so they can see clearly. There you go. Hey, this week's been so bad, bruh. Such a bad week. Cannot wait for next week. Next week's gonna be insane. What do you boys think? We got no insane news. Asia Open. Yeah, Asia's about to be swept right here on ES. Hasn't been, well, yeah, it's been swept on ES. Asia's been swept on ES, but it already has been swept on NQ. So we'll see what we get from that, but right now, Will I take a trade off this session SMT? It is not a session SMT because it's already been taken by ES NQ, sorry, right here. So it's not a session SMT. Yeah. And how far is this, bro? If we sweep this right here, it's a big session SMT because you can see that it's all the way down here. So if we sweep this, Will join on the TikTok. What are you doing, Will? So the set Asia session had already been swept. If that makes sense, bro. I'm so close to my PC. I need to. There we go. How's this looking? How's this look? Damn. I'm looking at my phone and not on SPX. What happened to SPX? Tournament IFVG for Peter. It was from Nasdaq, but not SPX. Well, it was close. It was close. Look, close enough in my opinion. Right here. That's super close. Like that's edging it. Yeah, in my opinion, that's close enough. But it's choppy. 3-minute inversion for Peter to go. Yeah, it could be a good 3-minute right there. Definitely could be. I really want to see a sweep of this right here, though. That's something I want to see. Hey, we're gonna do the weekly recap this PM. It's because of yeah. Imagine it's better to be on futures to be honest. So it doesn't have to sweep if it's close enough. Well, if it's one tick away, it's swept. Like I'm not gonna miss out on a trade for a tick if that makes sense. Me personally. Me personally, I wouldn't let that slide. Elite ball knowledge right there. Yeah, wait, what do you mean $35 a month? For data in Canada, yeah. Plus 24, it is $35 a month. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta do what you gotta do to get that money. Oh, you're 14, damn. But yeah, I mean, why is Bitcoin dumping? So is Nvidia. Selling my bags. Let's get let's get this reversal going. COD try hard. Start saving for a BC. God try hard, bro. I'd destroy you in Black Ops 3, Black Ops 2, and Black Ops 4. Boy, what's good, DB? How's it going? Hey, 10 people in the Discord. Well, including me. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. We're almost to 530 members. That was my goal for the week. Fortunately, we may not go there in the week, but it was close. It was a close one. Thing is, I did not cook enough. I didn't cook enough. That's the thing. But holy, market's been bad for a whole week for us. Whole week. But we have these equals at the daily lows right there. You own a car? I own 17 cars. What about you? Do you own a car? Yannick Trottier, what's good? Again. Archery, how old are you, Archery? Yeah, it's bad now, Peter. Yeah, it's you're 19. No V-shaped recovery on the 3 minutes. Nah, it's We're hunting for that right there. We're hunting for that right there. I'm gonna be happy if we get this. I think it's gonna be a good reversal. It's the A reversal, but good enough. I don't want the market to shit to go down. Sorry, TikTok, don't ban me. I don't want the market to go down at all. It's been going down enough this week. It's been going down enough. Okay, okay, man. This is too far of a gap for me. 41.25 to 42.50. That's 1 point. That's too far of a gap for me saying, all right, we could be seeing the reversal here. I want to be in the ticks, right? 3 ticks max. If I see 3 ticks, it's a sweep. You know, it's never gonna be perfect. People that see this, right? Oh, it's going to my stop loss. We're 2 points away. They get out, right? There you get out. Um, 3 years still not profitable. Have you traded actually? Okay, we now that's a sweep, right? We're about to take now it's swap. Um, 3 years still not profitable. How? What? How? Eh, what makes you unprofitable, dude? Language barrier here. I'm sorry. What makes you unprofitable? You think what do you think makes you unprofitable? Sorry, I was drinking right there. Drinking and driving. Risk management, psychology. Yeah, that's that for everyone mostly. Risk management, 1 trade a day, whatever the outcome, you lose 20 bucks. It's you cook, you're done for the day. You you leg. Nah, let's see this. You leg. Let's see the 2 minute. Let's look at the 2 minute. 2 minutes got nothing on us. We got nothing on the 2 minute. 3 minutes. We could get something on the 3 minutes right here. Just need to chop though. But do we not? Do we want to see chop? I'm not sure. About the 5. 1 second. Yeah, we have a minute here. We have a minute for right, yeah, right there. Super small though. It's 4 points. I like mine 6 to 15 points. Points. We're talking about points here. You blew them all. Jesus Christ, Ryan. Don't go back to your old ways. But yeah, take 1 trade a day. Lock out. Get out the chart. Get off the chart. And there's no way you fail doing that. No way. Because that's part of risk management and psychology. Well, okay, man. I want to see. Sorry. I want to see the A plus, but do I really want to see it at the same time? You know what I mean? There's no way, Ryan. You 4 points or greater for me to be valid. All right, that makes sense. News at 10. Yes, news at 10. Peter, you're locked in. Yes, 1 trade a day. Imagine Pro. And where did you get that from? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But did you get it from me or? Bro, I'm so full of myself. Okay, not you, my bad. Okay, we could get the inversion right here for you, Peter, if that's something you're interested in. Big volume. We did bump about 30 points from entry though. Mm, what would you even target? Equal highs for partials and top of the session right here. Top of the session. There's no break-even points though, which kind of bugs me. Jesus Christ, sorry boys. There's no break-even points though. I know there's someone on the Discord saying, I just do shorting with the hell, Longan, like we do. Daniel's always used to always come in the live and say, "Oh, these dudes are shorting on TikTok. What a bunch of dummies." While we were longing and banking, I think it was funny. Things I've noticed, and Daniel actually made me notice, is we see a lot of fake outs when we long. Matthias was good. Matthias just dipped off the Discord just to go back to scrolling. W Matthias, bro. Um, Crypto still dropping. Yeah, crypto's still dropping, unfortunately. But we do have a session SMT right here with the A reversal as the same time as sweeping another session. So, sorry, that's W's. It's then. What's good? It's then. Seems like we're not gonna get that inversion though. Volume was there. I would ditch that inversion out of my book right now. So yeah, no inversion right there. Looks like we're going for the A plus. If we go for the A plus, oh, when's their meeting, by the way? When are they meeting? Yeah, no entry. Back to sitting on your, of course, as you should, my guy. Holy, bro, come on, don't jump my portfolio a couple $100 on a Friday. Yeah, Peter, it was good, it was a good trade, it was a good trade. Come on, market makers, do not drop my portfolio a couple $100 on a Friday. That's so bad and annoying. Black is back. What's good? Tint, Colton, Pablo. Yo, drop me a follow. We're almost to 400 followers. Once I hit 1,000, I'm oiling up. Literally. Drop me a follow, and I'm oiling up. Market makers. You know what I mean. You know what I mean, Colton. Market makers, I mean the hedge funds. Don't drop my thing, if that makes sense. It's just for the people around to understand. You know, if I say hedge funds, I sound like a nerd. So that's why. Pablo W's. Yeah, this dude just made fun of me because I said market makers. It is what it is. It is what it is. A reversal would be right here, boys. But I do get it. What time do you trade? I trade time frame or time. By time I mean I trade from 9:20 to 11 max tops most of the days. What about you, Jerry? Uh, or we just are we going? We are going to A plus. It seems like, or we might just respect. Yeah, we might. But you know, us game and hour model, we wait for the A plus. That's why there's less losses. There's lots of break-evens, but there's not too many losses. You've seen my backtesting logs. 15 losses, 75 wins, and 24 break-evens. That's 66% win rate with the break-evens and 83%, 0.33% win rate without break-evens. So waiting for the A plus is gonna be it, you know. I'm gonna respect my backtesting sheet that I got 83% win rate on, you know. And I'm gonna wait and be patient because if backtesting work, live trading works, you know what I mean? And I'm better at live trading than backtesting. So 10 people right here. 10 plus 8, that's 18 people. If we reach the A plus, we are gonna have an SMT. Of course, we're gonna have an SMT with that low right here at the bottom, and we're deeply in discount on NQ, right? If we pop out that thing, we're deeply in the discount. Am I even doing it right? Well, you get what I mean. We're in discount. I'm not the Dulles previous day low. Yep, which is New York AM low right there. Sorry, not New York AM low. It's just this right here. Previous day low. A211. That's Eastern Standard Time, -4. UTC -4. Jerry. Okay, looks like we're going to the DOL right now. Draw liquidity that the market makers have made for us. All right, we're 20 people. 20 people now. We're pulling 20 people. That's nice. Net 9 on the. Well, we just dumped 2, but 9 on the Discord and now 9 on the TikTok. I like that. I like that. I like that. One day in the Discord, trust me, Peter, Ryan, Zach, Will, everyone that's got the VIP right now, we're gonna be hundreds, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Call me delusional. We're gonna be hundreds. Okay, looks okay. We just took the doll. Now, tell me, does this look like a falling knife? You tell me. I'll tell you what it does, but we're still gonna try to catch a banger for it just for the live stream, right? I would sit on my hands right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I would sit on my hands. Well, I'm sitting on my hands still, but you get what I mean. Let's look at the hourly. Nothing on the hourly. We did sweep the, well, we swept the hourly, of course. Will you still do mentorship in 4 years? Who knows? Who knows? Uh, uh, uh. You're pre-firing my mentorship when you turn 18? Is that what you're telling me? Like, dude. Maybe, maybe not. I mean, you don't gotta be 18, you know. I'm not oiling up in there. Okay, let's see. The only person I hold up for is K-Man. I'm sorry. Yes, you are. All right, bro. Come on, come on. Okay, 2 minutes. Which one I would take on the 2 minute? I would take that one. That is not the first presented, but we have a 2 minute gap right here. That's the one I would look for an inversion right there. Partials right here. Partials plus break-evens right there. Another partial right here. Right? I take 15 to 20% off right there. I take 75 of the rest and then let a runner run to these sessions right there. Once the Why the second presented and not the first? Well, okay, so I'm not the best with the first presented, right? But the first presented for value gap often rejects a lot, right? And I just like this one better, but the first presented would be right here, right? So it often rejects a lot. So if we inverse that 2 minute right here, which higher time frame holds more value, the 1 minute goes up to here, but we're gonna use the 2 minute right there, and I just used that one. I don't use the first presented because again, hold on. I was looking at this. Wait, what are you been looking? No, Cameron, that's not good. There's not enough. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not enough. There's not enough structure. Actually, Cameron, you're on NAS 100, right? It's different. I'm not seeing the fair value gap that you're looking at. I'm not seeing it. If you can look, it's on the 2 minute. It's a riskier one. It's a riskier one for sure. It's a riskier one, but the risk to reward is gonna be better, but it's a riskier one. Uh, it's not bad, sorry. Shushuka was good. Привет, мой друг Shushuka. uh, that was corny, I'm sorry. Yeah, that 2 minute, it's not bad. It's just, I like this one better. I think we can all agree this one's better. It's just more confirmation, if that makes sense, right? We have a big order block right here, by the way, on the 2 minute. A1 sauce, barbecue sauce. We have a big 2 minute order blocks right here. 4 minute man. Let's look at the 4 minute Peter. We're locked in right now. 4 minutes. 4 minutes gonna be if the 4 minute inverse, the 2 minutes gonna inverse. If that makes sense, Peter. But yeah, okay, man. You analyzed it good. The break even on your trade is good as well. To me, I just like this one better. And who knows? Maybe Camen's trade's gonna hit and ours is not. I'm not God. I'm not no one. I'm just this one guy doing his thing. Look at Nvidia though. Nvidia is hitting the fan. About dropped $3. Yeah, Peter is the one and only. I don't know if I can say this on TikTok though, so I'm not gonna say it, but yeah, it does not look good. It's not looking good for A, the trade, two, the portfolio. I'm losing so much money right now. Let me tell you. I'm not gonna tell you, but wow. Wow. Rip. I don't even rip. It's whatever. Uh it sucks though. But yeah, that 2 minutes does not look good anymore. It's way too far. We rejected from that small one right there. Mikael, what's up? Yeah, does it feel like catching a falling knife right here, boys? It does, but if we get the 2 minutes, why not? But right here, let's say we go on the 1 minute and we create one right there, gets catching a falling knife. We have nothing to base ourselves off of. Let's look at the 45. We're bouncing from a 45 right now. I don't often use a 45. I just took a stop earlier, not gonna lie. Rip. Where are you from? Where are you from, bro? Michael? Michael JB? Mikael? Michael? Bro, I like your picture. No Diddy. Ottawa, yeah, I could tell. I'm from Quebec, bro. Okay, so I would not look for longs right here. This gap is 4 ticks, but there's a good break even on it though. Break even's right there. Looks like I would not enter there. Don't enter here. Break-even's been taken, right? Let's look if the 2 minute gets inverse right here. We have news in about 5 minutes. Yeah, bro. Get if you live in Gat, bro, it's perfect. You pay Ottawa taxes, but you're still in Quebec, bro. There's nothing better than that. You live in Ol or nah, or actually Gat. Oh, W. But you live in Gatineau or Ol, Haul. I never know how to pronounce that word. Because if you live in Haul, you're paying Ontario taxes, but you live in Quebec. So that's where I want to move. If I'm gonna move out of my place, that's where I want to move. Because bro, these Quebec taxes, bro. All right, wait, hold on. Right now, it doesn't look like no Momentum Zion for sure. It's giving us some fake opes right here. It's giving us some fake opes for sure. But if that 2 minutes inverse, I like the break even. I like the partials, and I like us having a runner to these highs right there. I mean, we swept everything that we had to sweep, so why not, right? And if it fails, it's gonna be the first fail called out of the summer. I say that every time I call out a trade. 5 minute inverse. Sorry. 5 minute inverse. If the 5 minute inverse, the 4 minute inverse is right here. If the 4 minute inverses, the 3 minute inverses. If the 3 minute inverses, the 2 minute inverses right here. So it's a good setup. Uh, if you know what I mean. This wick right here, 5 minute inverse gap looking so big when I was looking. Yeah, it's looking big, but all of them they align with each other. Like, look, this is a 2 minute for value gap right there, right? Look at the three, top aligns. Look at the four, top aligns with the wick. Look at the five, top aligns with the wick. Look at the seven, top aligns with the wick. Not the 10 though, but yeah, I like the 2 minute though. I'm liking the 2 minutes, so we'll see. You know, it is gonna be a stretch. It's gonna be about 50 points from the bottom, so it kind of it's far, but yeah. Thank you for the follow. News in 2 minutes, yes. News in 2 minutes. Peter, every time you go to the bedroom, could put BE here. Where? Could you put BE there? Where, Kevin? Yeah, hold it in, Peter. Come on, don't be news in 2 minutes, by the way, boys. Lieutenant just told me that. Actually, I forgot. But news in 2 minutes. Bitcoin's dropping. Nvidia's dropping. Picking it back up though. Um, I'm out. Seeds. Be right back. He can't hold it in. I don't think. No, I don't think it's right now. We have news in about 2 minutes, a minute 37 seconds. Peter's out. He says he's going to the bathroom. And this news, they're normally violent news. So we'll see what we'll get in about a minute. Right now, hopefully we move up with that news. To be honest, I really wouldn't mind. But we swept all the pre-market, well, most of the pre-market highs, and then we just plummeted. DO, what's good? How's it going? So 17 people total in the live stream right now. Why not? Let me switch my song. Heck yeah. Some better songs. All right. A minute, 50 seconds, sorry, until news hits. Let's see. Um, let me look. Do we have any other news like close for? I can predict news is gonna go up. One, two, three, boom. And then four, we have another new president speaks. Don't know what time though. All right, 25 seconds until news. Let's see what happens. Hopefully, after that, it kind of kicks off our move. I want us to go up on news, to be honest. It'll be nice. And was good. 11 people right now. So we got 20 people total. Now we're back to 16, but W's. Okay, news in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. News. Pump, please, for the jeez. For the portfolio's sake. Come on. Okay, we swept session lows though. Holy. Look at ES. What happened? Vo just dumped so hard. Instant stop. You took? Wait, why did you took that? Oh, if you took the trade, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it was just the 2 minutes still looks good right now. I mean, it's choppy a bit, but it's the news just wicked down and it looks like it wants to go back up, right? It never made the I no, it never made the IFG. I mean, yes, but it was 2 ticks. You don't want to trade it 2 ticks. Brought my phone. Bro, how are you gonna execute in the bedroom, Peter? You don't have Ninja Trader on it. Brent, Malcolm, welcome back, Malcolm. Uh, uh, Wait, Malcolm, isn't Malcolm Imagine Pro? Exquisite Swan. Yeah. Hmm. All right. Good rejection right here. Good reject. D woke up. Holy. D woke up. Move genius. What's up? 2 minutes still looks good, boys. It is choppy, but it still looks good. Every time frame is aligned, except the 1 minute. Uh, yeah, except the 1 minute. Every time frame aligns. We have good break evens and everything. What's good, Move Genius? How's it going? Stress-free moves in your service area. Hit him up to move. How's it going? How are you? Yeah, hit Move Genius if you're looking to move. If you're looking to move out of your parents' basement, hit that boy up. He's gonna move you out. Hey, W, how's your company going? Okay, we're about to inverse this right here. Did we inverse? We did not inverse. No inversion, but if you want to chase, I mean, I don't know. If you lose, it's not my fault. You lose, it's not my fault. Always stressful. Let's see. Hopefully we move up now. In Montreal? No, I'm like 5 hours away from Montreal. Oh shoot, doesn't look like it's gonna hit. I love Montreal though. But yeah, no close on that one. But maybe some people check chase, but no close on it. Looks like it though. I'm not sure. Yeah, it edged to close. It edged to close, unfortunately. It still might hit though. We'll see. Um, in Montreal, and is business good in Montreal? I'm guessing it's good, especially in July. Or not, maybe not right now, but yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Look at the 1 minute. Nothing on the 1 minute. 854 right here. Mm-hmm. Yo, what's good, Estian? How's it going? 10 people in the Discord, 17 in here, 7 in here. We're we're 17 boys in here. Good stuff. But yeah, is the business good in Montreal or I'm guessing it's good though. It can't be bad. People move around all the time in Montreal. Patrick, what's good, Patrick? How's it going? Moving up, moving up. 10. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Let me just see real fast. 34. 850 right here. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. If you want to sketch out right here on this one, you could go break even right there. We just hit the top of the 1 minute fair value gap right there. So if you're like sketched about that one, you could go break even right now instead of going break even here. Draso, thank you for the fall, the share right here, but you could go break even right there if you want. Up to you. But right now, if you break even, it's a completely safe trade. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, every time frame aligned with that one. Every time frame is aligned. So you could be going break even right now, just because we're edging it, right? Let me look at the other. You could go break even right now, to be honest. We're edging it. We went about half a point away. You do not want to get edged like that. So go break even. What's good, boys? You two missed that trade again. Yeah, go break even here, boys. And okay, so we entered 34. We're at 66. You could take some partials at the top right here instead. You could take partials right here. If we even go there. Hopefully we do. But yeah, hopefully you took some partials at the top. Holy rejection. I don't live in Montreal. I live 5 hours away from Montreal. Did you take it? I don't know. Did you? Looking like a break-even trade though. You just closed it. That's looking like a break-even trade, unfortunately. I'm not testing it. Every time frame the line though, I think the 1 minute did not close though. The 1 minute did close as well. 1 minute did close, but yeah, look at like if you haven't taken partials at the top right here, take partials if we go back, of course, because look, that's 35 to 64. That's 20 points, 19 points. So if we go back, definitely take some partials if you haven't, and then you're gonna take some more partials right here. I'm gonna let it run to pre-market highs. Sorry. To be safe, you could go there. ES just not following right now. ES is just not following. NQ pump. If NQ can continue its course right here, we're gonna go up. If NQ can continue its course. Nvidia, sorry. It's really close to break even though, which is gonna be unfortunate if it does. You lost, bro. Ryan, what are you doing? Wait, did I? Peter, let's go, Peter. Hopefully this does not hit break even though. Hopefully it just goes up. Because it's a good trade. So hopefully it just goes up right here so Peter, you could pass your account Loki on that. I want the FVG, I'm not, so I just closed 50. Hold on. Yeah, it's good. Oh, there's too many comments right now. Let me read that. Did you take Aston? I don't trade Fridays. I edged TP1 to me, so I just closed 50% there. Good, good. You closed 50% of your position. Is that what you're saying? It did edge TP1 though with a tick. But whenever you get edged by a tick, you just take it out, right? You take what you were supposed to take. Let's say you're supposed to take 25% and your TP gets edged by half of a by a point, by a sorry, a tick, you get out, right? There's no reason for you to stay in there. That makes sense. Will, you took that, Will? Is Will still here? Will left. Will dipped. All right, so we're approaching the TP1 right now. Do not get edged again if we go there. Burst zone, thank you. There's a 15 bearish for value gap. This is a safe trade right here. There is a 15, but hey, draws there. Bowspec, welcome, welcome, welcome. Moose, host 7, what's up? I should have took that on my FX if, yeah. Live and you learn, right? It happens, it happens, it happens. I'm just glad Peter got back from the bathroom in time to take that trade. W Peter. Come on. Let's go up. Yes, Musa, yes. RR sucked too. I mean, it's a R4 right there to the top. So R4. Uploaded an image. Oh shoot, Peter, let's go. Peter, you've been cooking, bro. You've been cooking. Do you mentor? Musa, I do. I have Daniel, Aurelian, Zach, and K-Man as of now. It's approaching the TP1. Do not get edged again if we go there. Denny, what's good? Okay, TP1, take partials here. Take partials here. There's an SMT. You're talking about bearish laughing emoji. Take partial here, boys. If you haven't, take partials. Partials at bad RR, to be honest, 1.37, but take partials right there, like light partials, like 15%. And the final, the big partial is gonna be that one. And if it just reverses here, it just reverses, and we've took some partials, so that's good. We'll see, we'll see. Hopefully that hits, to be honest. That would be nice. That would be a call out on every TikTok live stream now. I mean, it is as of now. Yesterday was one as well. So hopefully this thing keeps going up. Danny, thank you for the likes. Appreciate that. There's a 15, there's an SMT with ES and NQ on the 15. Let me see. Yeah. But we keep it pushing. If it fails, it fails because it's a break-even trade anyway if it goes back to entry. So we're chilling here. We're big chilling. Sorry. So Peter, you took that, right? Peter's not taking partials though. Locked in 114. Hey, let's go. Let's go, Peter. Slowly but surely, you're passing that account and you're getting funded with it, and you're taking a payout. Hopefully, you trade the same way that you're trading right now when you're funded. That's what I'm eager to see. Okay, small move up, but hey, any move up is a move up that we want. Come on. You okay? You got out fully. Let's see. What's up? What's up? Imagine you didn't take it. Partials right there. Break even at the top of the 1 minute for value gap right here, and partial just above. It may fail though. It may fail, but hey, it's whatever. The member cooked. Yeah, you're locking 132. Oh, Peter, you got lucky right there. I think Peter's gonna get stopped out break even right there though. Not break even, but in profits. Being stopped in the profits is completely fine by the way. Oh, you got stopped out. You made 115 though, so you're chilling. You're big chilling, big chilling. Kind of bummed Will missed this. Hopefully Daniel took it though, because he needs to take a trade today. So hopefully he took it. I really hope he did. But I want this to hit full TP. A for the people, two for the portfolio. Yeah, Nvidia just needs to pick it up now. If Nvidia picks it up, and so does Tesla, GG's, but Tesla's just looking rough right now. Ultra Rich, what's good? 3 followers, by the way. Thank you for the 3 follows, boys. Okay, pick it up. Is this Nvidia picking it up? It is. So is Vo. Pick it up. Pick it up. Go up. All right. Let me look at the one. Okay, Vo's kind of going down. Not Vo, S&P, sorry. It's kind of choppy right now. Is there news at 10:30? There's no news at 10:30. It's kind of choppy. I hope we just kind of pump here or do something at least. Would be nice. Sorry, burped. Had to burp. But yeah, we are live on TikTok and the Discord. We got about 16 people right now total. W's. Ash, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. It's just edging us, bro. If we break out of here, I think we could definitely see a move higher up if we break out of there. I really wouldn't mind seeing it, to be fair. It's kind of slowly just doing this stupid thing of just chopping, which is fairly annoying right there. Anyone still in that trade? Peter, I know you got stopped in profit. D, you took that D? Okay, wait, K-Man, you're still in? Still in there? You got the whole move? W's. Oh shoot, D, you took that trade, D? On an actual account? Yeah, we got the same. Well, we didn't catch the whole move, but let's go, D. All right, we're still going. Other partials is gonna be here. If you don't have any partials to take, you're gonna wait for the top. To be conservative, you could go for that. Let's go, let's go. Everyone caught the same W, boys. 104 W. Uh, let's go. Proud of everyone that took that. D, you're on the front. You're on the eval right there, D, right? Think, hopefully. Quick move up to there. Let's go, D. Let's go. WD. No callouts from you, D, though, this week. Know what that means. I'm just kidding. Okay. We're about 8 points from the second partials. 8 points from the second partials. Let's look at this right here. Hold on. The equals right there on ES. Need to look at it on the 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, it's way further on ES. Holy. Way further. It's like up there on ES, so we're chilling. It's gonna be no SMT right there. Hopefully we just don't plunge down right there. We got a good move up, so let's continue that way, NASDAQ. Let's continue that way. We look at NVIDIA. If NVIDIA can pick it up right here, same with Palantir and Tesla, we could be good. But if not, it's gonna suck. Yeah, W trades. How much are you up, D, right now in this trade? Ash, what's good? You're not in anymore? Damn, that's your R3. Yeah, Peter, take your win. It's okay. You made you made a whole day of work. See it like that? You made a whole day of work. I might start trading Fridays again. Be catching bangers. Okay, man. Hey, okay, man. You did it. You caught some good trade. You caught some good points. Don't even worry. You're up 1.6. Hey, good stuff, bro. GG's. You're up 469 on that trade. Let's go. Yo, Ash was good. 16 people total right here. Everyone's up today. Let's go. Could be going back to break even though. We're 60 points in though. That's about 100. That's a 90-point trade. By the way, that's a 90-point trade. So if it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. If it hits, we call the 90 points and GG's. You know. R3. Let's go. Let's go. Mitchell Hines. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. But yeah, if this hits, it's a 100-point trade. 90. Sorry. All right. Hopefully it does hit though. Like before freaking 2 p.m., you know. Nvidia's picking it up. That's always good that Nvidia picks it up. Let's look at the 1 minute here. Okay, it's kind of going down now. But honestly, if we get to here, you could realistically get out your whole position if we get to there. Honestly. Okay, Nvidia going down, Vol's going down. Okay, not looking good right there. Not looking good right there. But yeah, partials plus BE possibly right here. YM did you dirty? What happened with YM? You lost all of your precious profits from the week? Hopefully not, bro. What sucks is you get on a chart on a Friday and you lose all of your profits from the week. That sucks. That's not fun. Alright, NASDAQ, just go up. Nah, this is on top set. That took 2 wins on in Q2. Ah, W then. You're chilling. Past the freaking eval. Ash is funded, boys. Ash is funded. Let's go. Let's go. Still 8 people in here. Took the short on open. Yep. Let's go. We did sweep that. I wanted us to sweep this though. We didn't, unfortunately, on open. Back in my bag, moving to Dubai. Bet you won't. No balls. No balls you will. Rustard's in Dubai right now. He's coming back home and soon he's gonna be in the lives every day. Can't wait. Love that guy. Just chill. Hella chill with that. Okay. Let's see, let's stop chopping here, NASDAQ. You've been chopping for freaking 12 to 13 minutes right now. It's time to stop. There's SMT. Bullish SMT. Yeah, there's a bullish SMT. Bearish. Where? Everything's been taken everywhere. Yeah, everything's been taken. I see a bullish one right here. We'll see though. We don't care about the micro SMT. Wait, what are you looking at right now? Okay, yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it. But it's whatever. We're in this trade. We're all in. What stock is this? This is Nasdaq. This is like a whole thing. Well, it's all of the U.S. companies, most of the U.S. companies, especially tech heavy stock, basically. Thank you for the follow, by the way, Luis. Golden index, yeah, golden index. But yeah, that bearish SMT could cook us here, but we got partials, so it's whatever. But the bearish SMT could cook us right here. Hopefully not, though. You still in this, D? Okay, that bearish SMT may cook us. May cook us right there. We'll see, we'll see. Hopefully not, bro. It was going so well. We just dumped about 20 points. So 30 points almost as well. So that's bad. So it might be a break-even trade. Which is whatever. We took some partials on that one. You just got out. You just got out. Damn, you're telling me you're scared? Just kidding. You made 1.6 though, so you're good. How much you make a day off of this? Just curious. I mean, it depends of the day. I cannot tell you a fixed amount. It really depends of the day. It can range from 200 to 500 to 600 to 1,000 to 100 to losing 200. It all depends. Yeah, lots of fluctuations. We never know. We never know. All I know is I know I'm only losing $200. That's all I know. That's what I can tell you with confidence. I think that's the word, that I'm only losing $200 max, big max, not more, never. I got the word right. All right. Hopefully I did. English is not my first language, so trying my best. Um, okay, looking like we're pushing back up. Do we have a bullish SMT somewhere around here? Almost, bro. If we had that SMT right there. Uh, it's kind of hard to tell if we do right now with this kind of charts. I don't think we do. Peter, could you confirm? I don't think we do. It's kind of hard to tell with my chart. You're really good at it. Hey, thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. You've been trading a while, Lewis, or not? Or you just looking? You don't see anything? Yeah, I don't see anything either. Hopefully this. I don't use Robinhood. No, I don't. We use Trade and Project X as brokers for prop firm accounts. You could use Ripmic if you want as well. Hopefully this trade cooks, bro. Been in this trade for how long now? 25 minutes. Flat. Kenya, what's good? 6 followers on that live stream. Not bad. Give us a a knife to the upside right here, Nasdaq, and I will never bully you again. I'm lying. I will bully you every day. Tilted Games, what's up? To be honest, I don't see. To be honest, was good. Let's see what Peter has to say. I kind of want to see an entry for short target 10 o'clock data lows. Shit, you're right. What you trading? We're trading Nasdaq. ES kind of dying. ES is kind of dying. It is. And Q has an SMT. Yeah, but we're in the trade, so we're just gonna wait. But yeah, Mister, I'm trading Nasdaq right now. We're just gonna wait and see. If it hits break even, it hits break even, and we've made profits right there. So it's whatever. 1025 is about to hit. You got tagged out. Yeah, you did. Cause but hey, I mean, your break even would be your break even right now still. You made money. You're cooking. You made money. You're chilling. You're big chilling. It's just kind of annoying right now. It's choppy, 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 choppy. Rylan, what's up? Uh, I used to trade in high school. My friend made 3K in 10 minutes. I had to try, but never got good. Yeah, maybe your friend got lucky, to be honest. Lewis. Maybe your friend got lucky. I can't lie, looking bearish on high time frames. Let me see. Yeah, it does. It does, but we swept to me, it doesn't. We swept everything, and now we have a whole lot to the upside. So that's why to me it does not. But the trade was partially taken. We took some partials. It's on break even right now, so something like that. So it's chill. As of now, it's chill. Trade is risk free for everyone that's in. And if we go back to break even right there, it's a break even trade, and that's completely all right. Grant, what's good? Nice, nice. Oh, yeah, of course. Same. Same, to be honest. Not looking good right now, though. The king, what's up? What's up? Oh, okay, sorry. Sorry if you're in a trade. I hope it keeps going. No, don't worry about it. I just want it to cook for I want it to cook for the people that are in. Dimitri's upload. I mean, we just pumped 60 points, 30 points right there. We just point 30. Yo, I'm taking a long. If it comes back to 5-minute FVG, that's that, right? 5-minute FVG. Let me look. Grant, we've been in this trade for about, it could be good. We've been in this trade for about 30 minutes now. I bought him tick for the first time ever today. Hey, Aiden, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, we've been in this trade for since literally 10:02. So we've been in this trade for about 30 minutes now. SMTs OP. I love SMT. So, Mister, we swept previous day low right here. We're bouncing from a 15-minute for a value gap, and we had a 2-minute IFVG that was correlating perfectly with the 3 minutes, the 4-minute, and the 5 minutes. So it was good for longs whenever we inversed the gap. That is why we entered there. R3 spreads, yeah, forex spreads are a killer. And yeah, Mister, that is why we entered there. Now it's just chopping though, kind of annoying. Didi, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot. 7 followers today on the live stream. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it going. But we're just printing a barcode right now. Super annoying. We want to see a move, a pump up right here. Is it riskier to enter on 1 to 3 minutes? There's always risk. Sometimes I enter on the 15 seconds, the 15s and 30 seconds. So it's all a matter of how do you manage your risk, because to lose $200, yeah, bro. PA's being ass. Days over. We'll see. It is being kind of bad. Braden, what's up? But yeah, the 15 seconds. To lose $200 on the 15 seconds, it's actually a big move. That is why I like the 15 seconds because you're trading the 15 seconds. What the heck? But what was I saying? You need more. Like it's bigger. Your stop loss is bigger. That's why I like it. Personally. Yeah. Dami was good. It's good. 4 racks for these shoes. That's like a 2004 Honda. If you got the ball knowledge, W, because Dami was the name of the girl selling the shoes. Sid, what's good, Sid? How's it going? What's good? Just got my wisdom too. Trying to listen to some random stuff. Hey, well, you're here. I'm just yapping. 1,000 flight of stairs. Yeah, I'm just yapping. Okay, we just dumped about 20 points right there. Not looking good. Not looking good at all. Yeah, not looking good. But yeah, it was good, Dami. How's it going? August is a bad month in general. I don't think so. It's like people saying January and December is bad for trade. That's not true. That's not true at all. I mean, it's an opinion. I respect your opinion, though. I do respect it. It's important to respect others' opinion. I will forever respect everyone's opinion. Uh, uh, um, but yeah, boys, if you wanna join the Discord and trade with me in the morning. Here's the link. I'm live on the Discord as well, by the way, right now too. Well, we were at 10, now we're 6, but yeah. This barcode is crazy. We want to see a move up right here. It's been edging us for a while now. BE plus partials. It's a fact, not an opinion. Of banks and institution on holiday as ChatGPT says the same. Yeah, but it's like I personally, okay, so from my experience, I haven't seen any reduction in my P&L during those months. So that's why I have an opinion on it. But of course, if you trade on the 23rd of December, it's not going to move the same, if that makes sense, right? Same for January 2nd. It's not going to move the same. I think January 2nd is closed, by the way. We are kind of respecting the 15. Yes, we are. It might finally go back to your fair value gap. Yeah, the thing is, uh, sometimes you see some things on Instagram and it's just for the clicks, you know. Is there also is an SMT? Where would be the SMT right here? There's no SMT right here. Oh, there's no SMT right here. There's a bullish SMT on that low right there, but it looks like it's gonna stop us out right here. Yeah, ChatGPT, you gotta the thing with ChatGPT is you have to do your manual research as well because ChatGPT will send you some links. You click on the links, and the links are completely unrelated to what you said. So you have to kind of do your own research afterward. ChatGPT gives you an opinion, and from that opinion, you ask yourself, okay, is this a good opinion? Is this a good opinion? Basically, and from there you search on the web for yourself. Was good, Shanks? Uh, ICT. ICT says a lot of stuff. Did you take anything today? Personally, no, but we did call out that trade right there. As you know, Fridays is a no-go for me. Mm-mm. Order flow indicator, also an iceberg indicator. Iceberg, I don't know. Order flow, yeah, have a guy that I'll connect you with a guy. Do you use NinjaTrader? Doesn't look like it's gonna stop us break even right here for sure. But do you use NinjaTrader? Imagine. Nah, I don't think there's an SMT right here. I do think are you taking that trade? We were already in that trade. Partials were taken right here. The break even was going here when we hit that, and now we're just waiting. We're probably possibly gonna get stopped out break even. Most likely, actually. Looks like. What about you, Austin? What about you? What about you? But I like the opinion, Mister, though. Opinions are always nice to have. Always, always nice to have. It's always fun to make some conversation, whatever the conversation is. Crypto's still going down. Stocks are still going down. Um, it does look. I'm in a 5 minute long. I'm gonna hold it till sell a stop loss. For us, it looks like it's gonna stop out break even. But parcels were taken. The member cooked. I trade. I don't trade crypto. I don't trade currency. I trade indexes, which is the Nasdaq. What about you? Real close to break even trade right here. Real close. So look at it carefully here. Let's go, Shank. Let's go. Let's go, Shanks. Hey, we're gonna have the market recap, weekly recap. Sorry, at 1 today. Is it 1? I have to look at the calendar. I think it's 1. 1 at the same time as usual, basically. Same time as usual. Yo, what's good, Peter? What's up? What's up? You just want to say? What do you want to say, Peter? We took our first trade together. Let's go. Hey, we're about to get stopped out break even on that one though. Like if it just edges us right here, W's, but okay, break even trade right there. Hey, partials were taken, break even trade, it's all right. BE trade. The streaks continues. The first trade. Wait, that's the first trade that I call it that you take. Like actually, damn, bro. Trust me more. Oh, okay. That's the first trade that we both taught at the same. You can make 50k if you hit 70 pip target on NQ. Can you make, bro? You can make 50k with if you have 5 points on NQ depending on how many contracts. If I open the paper trading broker right here, do not take this trade, boys. Do not take what I'm about to take, right? But let's say I have 1,000 contracts on, right? I buy. I just need 3 points to make 75k, if that makes sense, right? So you can make 50k with one tick. It does not matter. If it taps us break even here and just moons, I'm oiling up. Za, thank you for the like. Appreciate that. 700 likes, 7 new followers, W's. But yeah, good trade on a Friday. Um, Flawless week. I'm not pissed. I'm happy. Yeah. Every trade every day I live stream on the TikTok. Data low. I didn't just blindly take it, dude. I want to short till data low, but no entry. DJ. The streak ends for me maybe. Oh shoot, Shanks. Oh shoot, the combatant was good. Oh shoot, 11 people and 7, so we're 18 right now. 18 people watching me. I remember, you used to have no one in these live streams. Now we're 17. That's crazy. All right, if it just taps us out right here and continues its move out, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Sammy, what's good, Sammy? 13 or 20 right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And X, what's good on TikTok? Yes, I'm live streaming on TikTok right now as well as on. We're total. We're 21 right now. So what's up, everybody? We took this trade right there. Ended up being a break-even trade with partials. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 15 people right now. So we're like, what? 22. The W's. W's, W's. It is Friday. 9:30 loader. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Thank you for the like, NX. Appreciate that. Drop me a follow. But yeah, Zai, you can make 50k from any AW. What are we now? We're at 387 followers. We need 13 followers. And I'm on 400. I was at like 150 2 weeks ago. Damn. That is great. How's it going? Been going good. How about you? Yes, sir. Thank you, mister. And thank you for the follow. And good luck with your trades as well. How's it going? I make music sometimes. Peace. It was good. That was good. What about you? How's it going? Zach. Zach, you taking anything today? You're Aurelian's up. That's good, Aurelian. You can join on the Discord, Aurelian. It's gonna be less laggy. Joey, what's good, Joey? Yeah, so Aurelian, what we took right now, we took a sweep of previous day low, 2-minute IFVG, and BE plus partials. Nothing crazy today. Holding it down in a US 30 buy. Just got a good US 30. That's YM, I think. Slaggy. I'm sorry. I was waiting for confirmation on the reversal. Okay, okay. Wait, you're in long on the Dow right now? Like you just got in, or you've been long for it since the beginning? I hate the Dow, bro. Hey, STO was good. And how much you made on your shorts, NX? Mm-mm-mm. Just a scalp. Oh, okay. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. But yeah, about 250. Hey, 250 is like 2 days of work, I think, right? Something like that. Bash, thanks you for the like. Yeah, it may have just tapped us out and then continue its way up right here. I wouldn't mind, to be honest. It's gonna suck, but I wouldn't mind. The stock market needs a move up, especially on the S&P is holding well. It's the rest that's just not doing its thing. And crypto, of course. Crypto's going down. Even Ethereum's going down right now. Ethereum was super strong. So yeah, 9 followers on the live stream. We're now at 388 W's. W's double O. F them, bro. Thank you for the follow. Man, you know what? Life ain't that bad. Look around. Don't know if you got the ball knowledge right there. PM, what's good? Look around. Look at life. I love that song. Ice Pie. Ice Pie. Not Ice Spice. Sorry. The Batman. What's up? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Oh, we're at 390 followers now. We only need 10, and I'm hitting 400. That's crazy. But yeah, that trade cooked-ish, right? Did we lose Peter? No, Peter's still here. Zach is writing an essay in the chat right now. Absolute essay. Believe in yourself. I'm gonna go watch the SMT video. Not gonna lie, it's hard for me to understand by the PDF. All right, just and we'll call anyway soon, and we'll look into it as well if you don't understand it. But yeah, we'll call soon if you don't understand it. It's completely fine. Jeremiah, Mouse, Maria was good. 7 people here. Zach, you have a wonderful day. Bro, I'm just happy everyone cooked mostly today. No one's red. Well, Ryan's red. Mariah, thank you for the follow. Yes, sir, you have a nice one. We're now MTB. Is that Montreal? Not too sure. Wrong thing. All right. Bro, it's my cafe. Is that Mr. Jitsu? Is that Mr. Jitsu? Has to be. Has to be. Brayden was good. DCB was good. How do I? Peter, you're DGen. Oh, it's Imagine. You're crazy, bro. You're crazy, crazy, crazy. You're catfish. You're insane. 12 followers on the live stream, though. That is crazy. 1.4K like. 391 followers, bro. We need 9 followers. 9 followers, and this thing is going to. Is Bullnox good? Bullnox is good. It's a good beginner firm. Yes. Look at the market, though. If it just taps us out and goes straight up, it's whatever. But yes, Bullnox is good. It's reliable. I wouldn't promote something that's not reliable, if that makes sense. You don't, you degen? Yeah. Hey, Slash, what's good? Thank you. You guys are W Malcolm, bro. W. I see your comments, by the way. I see your comments. 13 followers on the live stream is crazy. We need, how much we need? We need 8, I think. 8. Need 9 for freaking Peter. You said I'm the best. I'm the best. You're out. All right, Peter. You have a good day. Hey, update. Okay, he's out. W Peter. Connor was good. Nathan was good. This trade looks. I don't think this trade's gonna hit full TP, unfortunately. But hey, we cooked again on stream. I'm happy. Uh, Chris, crazy as it sounds, there was no red call out all summer as of now, which is crazy. We'll see though. We'll see. There, it's inevitable that one's gonna come. It's inevitable, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Happy about that one. That one ran 30. That one ran 60 points. So not bad. Not bad. Ran 60 points. I think the TikTok stream's gonna die now. Bearish if we inverse the 5 minute. Yeah, you could. If we inverse the 5 minute, you could look for shorts on these equals, which is also a data wick and current session lows. So yes, it is possible. Leon, what's good, Leon? Jeez, the market's selling me right now. But yeah, if we inverse that 5 minute, you could be looking for some shorts. But we got the A plus reversal. This thing reversed almost 100 points, so that's super good. Yeah, Bernard, how long you been trading? There's too much to see here. Scroll. There's not much to see here. Scroll. Juju, Mikal, what's good? Welcome back. We caught the longs right there. I think we were there though. I think you were there, but yeah. 13 follower. After now, taking trade is not good. True, agreed. Leon, 2 years, and you're profitable now or not? But Leon, I agree. I agree with you. They're most likely gonna have their meeting soon as well. Yeah, that trade would have hit stop loss if we hadn't went break even. Not yet. It's coming, bro. Don't worry. What's stopping you? Your fair value gap. It's got completely obliterated. Steam deals. What's up? But what's stopping you, Bernard? You don't like this. You didn't like this month. Hey, month's already halfway done. Don't let that stop you from making profits. It's only a day. It's only a day. It's like going to the gym, saying I'm going to the gym Monday to Friday because it's the weekend. You're stupid. It doesn't make sense. I mean, I'm not calling you stupid, but not going on the weekend because it's the weekend is stupid. It's just don't let a day stop you from your day-to-day life, if that makes sense. Psychology. So you take a trade and you just tilt if you lose. User was good. But yeah, Leon, don't let a day or 15 days dictate the rest of your month. Uh, it is all in the head at the end of the day. You think AMD goes up? AMD goes up. What time frame would you be looking at AMD user? Because we got accumulation. We manipulated the accumulation right here, and we got distribution right there. We almost manipulated the whole accumulation right there. 12 to 1-ish. What do you mean? I'm talking about time frame as in, well, let's look at it on the 5 minute. So, because the accumulation I'm seeing is right here, right? Which was swept and then we manipulated it down, or distributed it down, sorry. Daily CRT, consequent encroachment, is that what you're talking about? Now I'm on a 5K challenge. I'm building from the scratch to escape. Hey, I have a guy in my Discord that does the same thing. He does the same thing. He's from the bottom part of Africa and he's trying to escape. So let's look at the 50% level now. Okay, so we have the 50% level. You're saying that this is accumulation right here. You'd like to see a sweep and a delivery to the downside. That's the 50% CRT of the daily CRT. Is that what you're saying, user? You'd like to see a manipulation of this accumulation phase right here and a distribution to the downside? Is this what you're saying? Yeah. We need some answer here. But yeah, Leon, you got it. No worries, you got it. Daniel over. Sorry. What's good, Daniel? Over? Bro, where's Daniel? Daniel's in class right now. Dude needs to log in. I'm just kidding. But if that's what you're saying, user, it's a possibility. We have the 50% CRT, right? As you said, encroachment of the daily. No trades for you today? Hey, completely fine, bro. Completely fine. Uh, Saint-Toi was good. Hey, we have some liquidity resting, so it's possible. It's possible, fairly. Zad Zechan, what's up? We could be inversing the 5 minute right here to data lows. That would be about 30 points. Could be not bad. Could be not bad. Yeah, W stream was good. SN, what a week at retail sales and consumer sentiment numbers. Sells the dollars. Did you sold the dollar? Sell the dollar? Hey, SN, it's a bit sketchy though, because of what's going on with the geopolitical. Candle range of Tuesday candle, if it passes. Hey, bro, I can't help you with that. I don't know what you're talking about. The range of Tuesday candle, if it passes the 50% Tuesday it might go bear. Let's look. I'm Gary. What's up? Tuesday. Let's get to Tuesday. I'm just gonna remove. Well, I'm not gonna remove anything. Tuesday. Tuesday. All right, we got Tuesday here. So you're saying if we inverse this on, let's say, the 5 minute, you would go short. Is that what you're saying? You got some balls on you. Because this is the session lows, as well as data lows, as well as equal lows. I gotta say, okay, we inverse the 5 minute. Right here, we inverse the 5 minute. Could be going for data lows right there. We'll see. I'm not calling this out though. But we could definitely go to data lows. That's the whole day. If you entered right there, go break even right now, by the way. If you entered right there, go break even. We're about to hit the encroachment of the 15-minute fair value gap. Don't want to risk it. Okay, that's a break-even trade. You gotta understand, my strategy has a 66% win rate if we count the break-even. If we don't count the break-even, 83. So break-evens, it's a lot of break-evens, but at the end of the day, it's profitable, so who cares? But yeah, we'll see if we hit data low. If we hit data low right here, we could be looking for a reversal. That's something I would be confident in if we hit the data low. Hey, welcome to everyone that just joined the TikTok. And we still got 5 on the Discord. So we'll see. I will be getting off soon. It's 11 a.m. Yeah, it's 11 a.m. 11 a.m. is bad for trading the model. Yes, of course. When you hit a winning day, a losing day, you're out. Anyways, I see you, K-Man. You have a good day. Damn, I'm about to get off as well. I don't think we have news. I don't think we have more news. We caught the reversal that we needed. We made some profit. People made some profit. I'm happy. Hit the 50%, then reversed. That's all my bad. I should have had the 50% thing up. Yes, sir, Malcolm. I'll see you this PM. I'll be live this PM. Up 800 D. Let's go. I'll be live this PM for the weekly recap. For the people on the TikTok, if you want to join for my weekly recap, here's the link. Be right back. You'll be right back. All right, no worries. I'll be off as well soon, super soon. We made 13 followers, 500 views, 1.4K likes. We got some exposures. We took a banger trade. I'm happy. Hey, D's up 800. Grumpy. He actually traded. Cap. He says cap. Peaky Blinders. Alright, boys. I'm gonna get off stream on TikTok. I'll still be live on the Discord though. If you want to join, here's the link. I'll give you. Yeah, of course, Bernard, drop me a follow so you can join my stream again. Gabriel Champlot Albert was good. Daniel was good. Damn, if it's popping. If we go up to 7 viewers right here, I'll stay. If we do, yeah. Bernard, drop a follow and maybe you can come back to these live streams whenever I do them. I do them twice a week. And other than that, I'm live on the Discord every day. Alright, I'm ending the TikTok live stream. See you, boys. Oh, you did? Perfect. Alright, see you. See you, boys, next time. Alright. We just stopped the TikTok live stream. We got bangers, boys. Anyone want to come on stage and speak? 13 followers. That's W's.